पीछे हो लो पीछे इधर चल रहा कमांडो
आपकी तरफ जाना है आप
अभी चल रहा है आओ जी चलो सर
गीता माता की
रोकना पड़ेगा पहुंचेंगे यार
वहाँ पे आके जहाँ पे गीता का पूजन करना है
कहाँ पे है
और थोड़ा भी in the history of our country.
ये सारी नीचे और यार देखना यार दिखना
This day is being observed as the 10th International Gita Mahotsav. It is being observed with great grandeur, devotion, and with all the care
खबरनामे की किसके पास है साइड
that the nation has. It is being observed on the sacred
को सिरना
soil of Kurukshetra, a historic place in the lives of the nation. It is a sacred soil where Gita was delivered by Lord Krishna. His lecture had taught us devotion, compassion, duty, tolerance. Every human being has that we have.
यार ये दिख रहा है आईडी का फ्रेम है
This divine discourse of Lord Krishna given to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra has guided humanity for millennia. This is not a guidance for a particular community. It is a guidance for the humanity. For centuries, the Gita has inspired righteousness, courage, duty, and inner awakening across societies and generations. The Kurukshetra Development Board, which has been tirelessly working for the uplift and improvement of this field, Kurukshetra field, its preservation and conservation. And today more than 182 heritage sites linked to the Mahabharata. Krishna's life and ancient Indian knowledge systems stand documented and preserved. 182 places are here which are documented and preserved. It is a historic feat that we are preserving. International Gita Mahotsav for the last nine years have been observed in various countries, not only in our country, in Haryana and in Kurukshetra, but in various countries. And this is the 10th year which we are celebrating with great fanfare. Various foreign scholars will be coming. Various seminars will be held on Gita in various countries. This Gita message, the values that Gita teaches us, will be on camera, will be on the radio and on television. The Mahotsav will include a 3-day international Gita seminar where foreign scholars have been invited. 125 scholars from 16 countries will be coming. They will present their research on Gita. Those who will listen to their lectures will highly benefit by it. Today the festivities begin on 15th with a magnificent crafts and entertainment fair on the sacred banks of the Brahma Sarovar in Kurukshetra. Various artists, craftsmen, performers will grace the occasion. This is a historic occasion. Through the support of the Ministry of External Affairs, Gita Mahotsav celebrations will also be organized in 51 countries. Gita will be organized, this festival will be organized in 51 countries with live broadcasts connecting millions of devotees across the globe. We are also privileged to welcome 20 spiritual scholars from Fiji, Trinidad and Tobago, these foreign countries, who will participate in key events over 2 days. 2 दिन के लिए ये 3 देश, Fiji, Trinidad and Tobago, they will come, the spiritual scholars. Educational institutions, including Kurukshetra University, NIT and Ayush University will organize Gita seminars